I welcome you all to the course Foundations of Psychology, Concepts and Applications. So, this is a course on psychology and the foundational concepts of psychology. My name is Dilwar Hussain. I teach psychology in the Department of Humanities and Social Science at IIT Guwahati. I will be the instructor for this course. Now, as the name suggests, this is a course that focuses on understanding the foundational concepts, basic concepts of psychology. Now, this course is not just about conceptual discussion, it goes beyond conceptual discussion and it will also focus on application of lot of these ideas or concept that we will discuss in this course. Now, psychology is generally defined as scientific study of behavior and mental processes. Now, this definition says that psychology studies what? It studies mental processes. One thing, mental processes and behavior. So, mental processes means what? Mental processes include diverse, activities of the mind, including sensation, perception, thinking, problem solving, decision making, memory, emotions, motivations and so on. Behavior includes observable actions that we can see. For example, I am moving my hand, you can see, so that is a behavior. So, mental processes and behaviors are interconnected to each other. So, psychology aims to understand all the diverse aspects of mental life and how it expresses in the actions and feelings, and how it studies using scientific method. So, that is very important. Scientific method means it uses the major hallmarks of scientific principles to collect data, analyze and report its findings. So, psychology is not just about armchair speculation or common sense knowledge, it is based on scientific methodological rigor, whatever knowledge we will be talking about. So, these are based on proper scientific methodology and so in that sense whatever we will be discussing in this course are not just based on speculations and common sense. Now, we can understand from this definition that psychology is very, it has a diverse scope, because understanding human beings, and psychology not only talks about human behavior, it also includes animal behavior and so on, but majorly we will focusing on the human behavior part of it. So, there is a lot of complexity involved in it, there is a lot of diverse scope in terms of content of psychology. So, obviously, we will not be able to talk about everything that is included in the psychology. So, this course will focus on some of the major topics that are like foundational concepts. So, in that context, what we will learn in this course? So, this is a 12 module structured course focusing on the foundational concept, like we will talk about core concepts in psychology, major theories in psychology and the different concepts around it. We will also talk about the research methods and obviously the practical applications of different concepts that we will be discussing in this course. So, each module will explore both theoretical aspects as well as some applied aspects around those concepts that we will be talking about. At the end, there will be 2 modules specifically dedicated on applications of psychology in the various domains of our life. Now, more specifically, the content that we will be focusing in this course includes introduction and research methods in psychology, biological basis of behavior, sensation and perception, learning and memory, thinking, problem solving and intelligence, emotion, personality and social behavior, psychological disorder and treatment. So, like this, these are the major concepts that we will be talking about. The last 2 modules will be dedicated only to applications of psychology in specific domains of human functioning, including education, how psychology is applied in the context of education, health, workplace, therapy, law, environment and sports. So, this course is a balanced course in terms of conceptual description as well as applications of psychology. So, anyone interested in scientifically understanding human behavior and psychology regardless of academic and professional background is warmly welcome to join this course. I once again extend a warm welcome to each one of you and hope this course proves valuable for your personal growth and professional development. Thank you.